Good morning, students. May God bless you all. Today, let's start 9.2 gerund. Gerund, that is verbal noun. A gerund is a form of verb that does the work of a noun. It is a form of a verb, but it does the work of a noun. So, it is called verbal noun also. For example, swimming is a good exercise. Generally, doing words are called verb. Here, swimming, verb, but it does the work of a noun. Swimming is a good exercise. Then eating in the class is a bad habit. Here, eating is taken as a noun. Okay. Generally, it is verb, but it is now doing the verb of a noun. He knows the method of teaching. The noun or pronoun that comes before a gerund is always in the possessive case. Your success depends on your working hard. Now this one is, you can see the gerund. Before that, noun or pronoun, and it is in the possessive case. I insist on your attending school. This is gerund and your is pronoun. Now form. A gerund is formed by adding ing in the verb. Now present in the active, it is eating. Then passive is being eaten. Then perfect. Having eaten, and passive will be having been eaten. Now uses of gerund. The gerund is used as the subject of a verb as. Now we saw here it is called the subject of a verb. Okay. Walking is a good exercise. Hunting wild animals is not allowed. Drinking is injurious to health. Subject of a verb. This is the verb, but now it is used as the subject. It is used as the object of a transitive verb. It is also used as the object of a transitive verb. Leela likes dancing. I enjoy eating. The child started crying. These all are the object. It is also used as the object of a preposition. As object of preposition. I am tired of talking. Here of is preposition and talking is object here. Don't give away to hating. Many children are fond of watching TV. The gerund can also be used as a complement of a verb, as Mira's hobby is gardening. What I want is you're winning the match. The boy's real problem is coming to school. Now let us go to the worksheet. Fill in the blanks with suitable gerunds formed from the given verbs. We have to form a gerund from the given verbs. We have read it that gerund are formed by adding ing to the verb. Okay. Dash others is a bad habit. Now here abuse will do it abusing. Abusing others. By adding ing, where it is necessary we can take out e and we can write ing. I like dash novels. Read. So I like reading novels. Dash is injurious to health. Smoke. So smoking. We prefer dash by plane. We prefer traveling by plane. I saw him dash the radio. Steal. Stealing the radio. Ramu's hobby is dash to newspapers. Writing to newspapers. The dash of birds delight us. The singing of birds. He started dash his money on useless things, wasting. The teacher objected to my dash in red ink. Objected, writing. Do you mind my dash? You are helping hand. So it will become lending. We have to just add ing at last. Where E is there in the right, last remove it and add ing. All the children began dash at once, shouting. Dash books from any public library is cheap, borrowing. Now complete the sentences with suitable prepositions and gerunds of the given verbs. Verbs are given, we have to add suitable preposition and gerunds. Dash the matter very carefully, we took the decision, thinking over the matter. Thinking over. Meena is accustomed dash during the day to sleeping. That man is not capable do any harm to others of doing. Okay, these all we are adding prepositions and plus gerund. Many people are engaged dash that bridge in building. Sarita was accused dash help a robber of helping. No one believes dash his dash be honest in being. In his being honest. Are you afraid dash go out at night? Are you afraid of going out at night? Hurry up, I want to go dash market. I want to go for marketing. Ajay succeeded dash paint a picture. In painting a picture. Now rewrite the following sentences using gerunds in place of the infinitives. It is easy to advise others. Now to advise is infinitive. So advising others is easy. Advising others is easy. To write a good composition needs careful planning. So to write is infinitive. So writing a good composition needs careful planning. To have good manners is more important than to have wealth. To have, instead of that, having good manners. Having good manners is more important than to have wealth. All the boys started to speak at once. To speak is infinitive. So all the boys started speaking at once. Girls love to wear flowers. To wear. Girls love wearing flowers. Girls love wearing flowers. Sheila hates to obey others. Sheila hates obeying others. To meet you again will be a great pleasure. Meeting you again will be a great pleasure. You should learn to respect others. Now you should learn respecting elders. To cook well is an art. Cooking well is an art. My hobby is to photograph natural scenes. Her hobby is photographing natural scenes. It is forbidden to shoot birds here. Shooting birds is forbidden here. It is bad manners to arrive late. Arriving late is bad manners. Now this worksheet A, B and C you have to do in homework and submit. Thank you.